Hey everyone, this one-of-a-kind mid-century modern home got a complete makeover and it flew off the shelf in one day. So today I'm going to show you all the upgrades and compare them with the before. If you are curious about the house flip numbers, make sure you watch until the very end. So we're going to start from the front yard. The front yard before was completely dried up and there was trash laying around. We cleaned it all up and put in artificial turf to cut down the water bill and maintenance. And we also used some rocks and small plants to add a design element to it. The exterior of the home has some interesting features, like the asymmetrical angled roof, the skinny arched entrance. But it was extremely filthy and very run down. So we did a lot of repairs on the exterior walls and also repainted it this light and dark gray color combo. I'm really liking this sleek color combo, and I think it really elevates the style of the home and gives it a very fresh look. We also did a lot of upgrades, like the single pane windows were all replaced with new double pane windows, and the old front door was replaced with this stylish wooden door with a skinny light that matches the mid-century modern style. And the old wooden garage door was replaced with this new door that's very modern with a few lights to bring in natural light into the garage. And these changes really boosted the curb appeal and make the home look very inviting. Welcome inside. This room looks like a completely different space because we did a thorough cleanup and changed the color palette from red and yellow to cream and wood tone. The vaulted ceilings look more dramatic after we removed the popcorn and added recessed lights. The room is bathed in natural light because we replaced all the single pane windows with new double pane windows. And this old school brick fireplace got a sleek facelift with an insert and a pretty mantle. On the floors, there were three types of different flooring: bright red carpet, laminate floors, and tiles at the entryway. We unified it with the same vinyl flooring throughout, so it's more consistent and it feels more spacious as well. Before we continue, I recently launched my coaching program, Transform Flipper Academy. That's where I teach my students the ins and outs about house flipping and help them achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. Make sure you check it out at transformflipperacademy.com. Now let's move on to the kitchen. The old kitchen was enclosed, cramped, and dim. And there was a wall on this side and another wall over here that were separating it from the rest of the living space. Fortunately, neither of these walls were load-bearing, so we were able to remove them to open up the kitchen and improve the flow, and also we could expand it a little bit on this side to make it more functional. And we added this new island, which is super versatile because it can be used for multiple purposes. And in terms of the design, we chose European-style cabinets that are very sleek, and it complements the mid-century modern style very well. Also, the cabinets are on the darker side. So when white cabinets are overused, these cabinets sure stand out from all the other kitchens the buyers may see. This space off of the kitchen used to be used as an office by the previous owner, but now it can be used either as casual dining or an additional living space. We removed the shades and replaced the slider and the windows to bring in more natural light in here, and the walls were also repainted. So for the light, we chose this modern LED light that matches the light over the island, and it also enhances the modern charm of this home. This guest bathroom got a complete makeover as well, from the box ceiling light to the old school vanity to the small tiled shower and the old linoleum floors. They were all replaced, and now we have a very clean lined fixture, mirror with thin frame and a wooden colored modern vanity. On the shower, we have bigger tiles that are lighter on the walls and darker on the floors for contrast. This room was chaotic and we did a lot of changes to it. There was a double door on this wall that was facing the living room. We closed it off so that this can become a true bedroom, and that change increased the usable square footage in this room, so now we can fit a big bed and a desk as well. We also replaced the window that was boarded up and added recessed lights and a new closet door. On the flooring, we replaced the old bright red carpet with new vinyl flooring. So now this room feels very clean and it's a lot more fresh than before. There are also two smaller bedrooms and they had similar upgrades. We added a ceiling light, replaced the window, and repainted the interior, also replaced the flooring. And so now one is staged as a boys' room and the other is staged as a cute girls' room. Both are very functional and inviting. The primary bedroom was a mess, but now it looks very serene. We added new ceiling lights and freshly painted the interior. We also replaced this slider. The view out of the slider is so much nicer because we freshly landscaped the backyard. The primary bathroom had a lot of junk in it and it was very dated. The vanity was already pretty wide, but there was only one sink. So we used the space to add an additional sink that adds a lot of convenience. And all these fixtures and the vanity are new and very modern and sleek. There was a wall and a door here separating the water closet from the rest of the space that I was going to keep. But then we realized that the shower was really small. So we removed the wall to make the shower almost twice as big, and now it would be very comfortable to use the shower. This backyard was completely bare before. There was not even a patio. So we poured concrete to add this outdoor seating area and also artificial lawn for enjoyment. And towards the end, we added a few planter boxes to be used as a vegetable garden. On this side, we also created this new landing for easy access from the master bedroom.
Even in its original condition, I thought this was a very cool house and I knew we could enhance its appeal dramatically. But I still was amazed by how beautiful it turned out. I love the vaulted ceilings and spacious living area and how we were able to tie in the modern charm. From unkempt and full of junk to updated and airy, the house has gone a long way in just a few months. Apparently, our target buyers are also impressed by how well it turned out as we had overwhelming activity and interest. Don't go anywhere, I will share the numbers right away.
I hope you enjoyed our transformation. Now let's talk about the numbers. I purchased this house for 1.2 million and we put in about 150,000 into the renovation. We received 2 very strong preemptive offers within just 1 day of being on the market and ended up selling this house for close to 1.8 million. So the profit was over 300,000, which makes it a home run. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Like the angled roof, the skinny arch entryway. And we added this artificial lawn
for enjoyment.
for enjoyment. Vegetables and some spices. Sorry.